when two or more substances, the substances could be elements or compounds combined to form a single product. These reactions are called combination reactions. What do you mean by combination? Combination means, student, as the combination itself says, that some substances are combining and they will form a single product. For example, hydrogen can combine with oxygen to form water. Students, remember, I have not given here the conditions under which the reaction takes place. Because in the previous lectures, I have told you there are conditions of temperature, conditions of pressure, or the presence of a catalyst, which are required for a chemical reaction to take place. But since here we are only talking of combination reaction, the addition of hydrogen and oxygen to form water, a single compound, is an example of combination reaction. Similarly, when iron and sulfur are heated, student, this is a symbol of heating. Here we are heating iron and sulfur. This is my iron. This is the solid state. You have sulfur in the solid. You have to heat it, student. And what you get is a compound, single compound, iron sulfide here, students. And important point to note is that during the combination reactions, there could be heat changes that may take place. Heat changes can take place. There are two types of reactions which we discussed in the previous lecture: exothermic reactions, in which heat is evolved; endothermic reaction, in which the heat is absorbed. So there is a both types of the reactions which will be there. And in this case, you see the heat is being absorbed, student. Heat is required to form this compound. Similarly, hydrogen gas can react with chlorine gas to form HCl. This reaction is only possible in the presence of light energy. So this is also an example of combination reaction, because hydrogen gas is combining with chlorine, student, to form HCl. Another example is, if you take a magnesium ribbon, student, you burn in air, it forms magnesium oxide. So here magnesium is an element and it is combining with oxygen to form single product. So wherever you are saying, we are saying, when two or more substances, they could be elements or compounds combined to form a single product. Such reactions are called combination reactions, and they can be accompanied by heat changes. Here, sodium is combining with chlorine to form NaCl. Let us give some more examples, students. You can take, student, calcium oxide is quicklime. This is calcium oxide, student, which is called quicklime, student. Take calcium oxide in a beaker and add water to it, students. And you will find, if you touch the beaker, it becomes very hot. What has happened, student? In this, calcium oxide is a quicklime. It combines with water and it forms a compound which is calcium hydroxide, or called slaked lime, student. It is an example of combination reaction. It is an example of combination reaction, students. There are two compounds. One is quicklime, calcium oxide. It is combining with water to form a single product. At the same time, the reaction is highly exothermic. Lot of heat energy is evolved in this reaction. And you will see, if you touch the beaker, it will become very hot. You already know the use of calcium hydroxide. It is used for whitewashing the walls, because when you do the whitewashing, it combines with carbon dioxide to form a white CaCO3. So these are the examples of the combination reactions. The combination reactions are those in which one or two substances or elements or compounds, students, they are combining to form one single product. These are usually accompanied by heat changes. The heat can be absorbed or heat can be evolved during the reaction.